Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to view your friend requests on Discord. Whether you're reconnecting with old pals or making new friends in your favorite gaming communities, it's important to keep track of those requests. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you've got the Discord app open on your Android device. If you don't have it yet, head to the Google Play Store to download it. Once you're in, you'll want to locate your profile picture. You can find it conveniently at the bottom right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. Now that you're in your profile settings, look for an option that says Your Friends. This is where you'll be managing all your friend-related activities. Tap on that to continue. After that, it's time to find your friend requests. Scroll down a bit, and you'll see the Friend Requests section. Tap on it to open up a new view, where you'll find all the requests waiting for you. Now, here's a little tip for you. You can select either Received or Sent. If you're looking for requests that others have sent to you, go to Received. But if you want to check the ones you've already sent out, just tap on Sent. This is a great way to see who's accepted your requests or if there are any pending ones. And there you have it. You now know how to easily view your friend requests on Discord. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.